is going on, my trading jits and crits? Today we had a bit of a weird. That's picking up really loud, huh? Sorry if you guys hear like a clicking noise. That's my fan. But today we had a bit of a weird experience. I'm going to show you exactly why, though. Let me come over here to Maven. So as you guys can see on Maven, I actually lost money. How much did I lose today? I lost about $7. But on Lucid, your boy smacked a $120 trade today, which could have been a lot more if I saw this, but I didn't. Dumbass. Didn't look properly, so that will be changing as well. I'm going to up my risk reward size to 3, so now I'm allowed to take anything that's 3 point and above, because I do want to start taking not bigger trade sizes, but definitely holding for a lot longer, because this trade literally lasted like 5 minutes. I won this trade so quick that I didn't even have time to really enter on Maven. And I was looking at this right here, but as soon as I came back and I saw the consolidation broke and around like 850, like right here, I was like, I could take this trade, but I actually decided not to, just in case, even though everything did align like beautifully like how this one did. But yeah, so essentially what happened was I was waiting for price to, let me go to the 15-minute and show you guys. Oh wait, no, the 15-minute gap's not there no more. Okay, so yeah, I was on the 5-minute. So I was waiting for this 5-minute gap right here to be respected. And when I saw this candle, this doji candle right here, come down and wick out and then come back up, I was like, okay, if we get any sort of confirmation to come back up to this top side, we're longing towards these highs. But then that's also when I told myself, if we get any sort of short confirmation, like we did with this big ass candle, then I'm gonna look for shorts. Now, the only reason I didn't take this trade quicker than I wanted to is because of this doji right here. So what I thought was gonna happen was I thought price was gonna come down, come back up, retest, like maybe, you know, like a little retest, and then it was gonna come up and close above this high and we were gonna long. But when I saw these two candles right here, I literally wasted 0 time and executed. Now you're probably wondering, why is my execution point right here? Pretty sure it was right there too, right? Closed 27847. This is on 27847. Yeah, so literally, if you really wanted to put it like that, my execution point was kind of scuffed, because I came back like I think 10 seconds later and price was already down here. Oh my god, I'm entering, and my targets were these 2780 points and this point right here. But a part of me did realize, okay, if I can just bang out like an $120 trade like I did, because I gotta wait to see if price wants to inverse this gap like it did. But that's when we have that double stacked gap where price is like, okay, I got past the first one pretty easily, but you're gonna have to give me, you know, a couple seconds to get past this one. And then I did have this gap marked out because I realized price is most likely gonna come up, retest it, come back down. And that's literally what it's trying to do right now too. So I might be on the lookout for another trade in the next like hour or so. Because if price can just inverse this gap and it comes down, all price has to do is just retrace down to the bottom here and take out what it has to. But other than that, today was a pretty solid day. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 just because, in my opinion, my personal opinion, I feel like after I won this trade so quickly, I should have probably just backed out and not traded on Maven. But I was sitting there like, damn, like that should hit TP so quick that I could probably get into this trade. And then I saw it come up here, and I self stopped myself instead of letting it run all the way up to my stop loss point, which it wouldn't have. It would have hit TP. But yeah, other than that, I mean, if these two candles give me good confirmation, and we see this gap right here get absolutely dominated in the next 5 minutes, I might see another trade off me. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. Please have a great day. God bless you guys. Excuse me. Let's keep it up. We're at 294. I don't see any reason why we can't get to like a good 600 this week. Put us back to even. Cause yeah, tomorrow's PMI. Wednesday there's no news. Thursday there's no news. And Fridays when we have a shit ton of news at 5:30. So on tomorrow, most likely gonna wake up a bit later or earlier. Probably start hitting the gym again. Paintballing has been kicking my ass, bro. I've been so tired recently. I've been learning a lot more, so that shit's been whooping my ass. So hoping I can start going back to the gym, eating a bit more healthier, just chilling out, doing what I gotta do. So other than that, have a great day. God bless you guys. Let's get it.